Okay, I'm over here at the Hacienda Bar and Grill here, Hacienda Hills Country Club. And they're in the process of demolishing this whole building. I have no idea what they're going to be putting in. There's rumors that they're just going to upgrade the whole building, make it more upscale. And let me walk around here. Hope there's no wind noise. I know that's annoying for everybody. This building's got a lot of history. There's the pool over there. That's all been ripped up. There's the pool house, the swim up bar and grill. I was hoping to make contact with somebody here and get some answers to find out what exactly is going to happen to this structure. They had a real nice pool here, very popular. The golf course, of course, is still open. I'll try to film across the fence here. That wind might be picking up on the camera. There's the entrance to the bar and grill. They had nightly dance in there, get a good meal. And all that rubble right there is piled into the pool. Of course, this large crane right here, that's part of the demolition crew. Well, I wish I could come across some blueprints what they're going to be building here. It'd be really interesting. I know everybody's anxious to find out what's going to happen here. I'll pan over here to the left. Here's your tennis courts.